I look for a tone. I look for that spark. Ooh, that's dope. It's all about your energy, what you put into the record.
Tim, you can go and brush your shoulders off, man. I got you.
The beat has to be infectious first.
You feeling like a pimp, nigga. Go and brush
You're gonna learn about feeling, vocals, software. We're gonna talk about some of my hits. Dirt Off Your Shoulders is 3 instruments. You're gonna learn about how I can take something simple and make it complex. You don't need a big old studio to do what you need to do. You can do this on your own if you have your computer and your mic. Watch this. Yeah. I start from scratch, making a beat with my mouth. Melody, beat, cymbals, then I can duplicate it on a drum machine. This will be the idea, use it as a template and create around it. Hey, see, the feeling is getting there. Now I have to go in the booth. It's no thought process. It's all about having fun.
That's dope.
She got me standing on my head again.
Stop. You see what the feeling made me do? That's what it should do to you. I want to give all the knowledge that I can give. That's what I'm here on earth to do. We have so much available to us that it's all in you and what you want to do. If you love it that much, it's gonna happen. I'm Timbaland, and this is my masterclass.